In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade audio in Adobe Express. If you want your sound to start more smoothly, end more cleanly, or do both. Adobe Express makes that process very simple. Adding a fade can help your video feel more polished and professional, especially if your music or voice track starts too abruptly or cuts off too suddenly at the end. To begin, open your video project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the project where your audio is already added, so you can preview the change in context with the rest of your video. This is helpful because fades often sound different depending on the visuals and timing around them. Once your project is open, look down at the timeline along the bottom of the screen and select the audio track. This step is important because the fade controls will only appear for the item you currently have selected. If nothing seems to happen at first, just double check that you click directly on the audio track and not another element in the project. After selecting the audio, move over to the left panel and look for the fade section. This is where Adobe Express gives you the main options for controlling how your audio begins and ends. You'll typically see choices for fade in, fade out, or fade in and out. Choose the option that matches what you need. If you want the sound to gradually appear at the beginning, select fade in. If you want it to taper off smoothly at the end, choose fade out. And if you want both effects, select fade in and out. Once you make your selection, a fade duration setting will appear. This lets you control how long the fade lasts. Take a moment here to adjust the duration carefully. A shorter fade can feel subtle and quick, while a longer fade creates a softer, more gradual transition. The right choice depends on the style of your video and the type of audio you're working with. It's a good idea to preview the result after adjusting it so you can hear whether the timing feels natural. And that's it. That's how to fade audio in Adobe Express. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in the overall quality of your video. Once you've applied the fade you want, you can continue editing or export your project when you're ready.